everybody. So basically in today's GFG POTD we have a problem missing in array, and basically it is an easy level of problem, and it is saying that given an array R of size n minus 1 that contains distinct integers in the array of 1 to n, which is inclusive, and here we need to find the missing elements. The array is permutations of size n which with one elements missing. Return the missing element. So basically this is here we have an array, and the sizes are also given here. That means the sizes of an array is like 5, and these are the array, but there is actually one element which I'm missing here inside the array. We need to simply return it. So as you can see, 1 2 3 5, so basically 4 is missing here, so we need to return 4. Okay, now if you're talking the example second, so here the sizes of an array is like 2, and here only one elements are given, which is like 1, so we need to return true 2 for this particular array. Okay, so we have to do this problem with an expected time complexity of like order of n and expected auxiliary space of order of 1. So these are the constant, and like this question is like asking like multiple companies also, like Flipkart, Morgan Stanley, Ecolite, Amazon, Microsoft, DSO, Ola Caps, PayU, Visa, Intuit, Adobe, Cisco, Qualcomm, and TCS. Okay, so basically this question is completely based on like arrays and data structures, and all about searching, sorting, and all those things, searching algorithms, and yeah. So for solving this problem, let's understand by this first example here. So let's go on the whiteboard. Okay, so basically this is our first example, like 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 5, whose size is 5. Okay, so and this is an array 1 2 3 5, 1 2 3 and 5, and here the sizes of an array is like 5. That means the size of array is given in the question, that this the array of size is like 5. So as we can see here from this example, that the elements which are missing in this array is like 4. So here our output is like 4. But how we actually getting this output? So for getting this output, what we can do, what are the approach is really very simple. We need to traverse through complete array. Okay, that means we need to traverse inside this array, and we need to compute with some another variable which is called as count. Okay, so here for solving this problem, first of all we have to like make another variable count, which is basically we have to initialize with like 1. Okay, we have to initialize count with 1, and we need to check it for all the elements inside the array. Like here 1 is present, yeah, 1 is present. Then we need to do what? We need to count plus plus. That means when count is become 2. Okay, then yeah, here array is also having 2. Okay, when count become 3, then again array is also 3, so it is okay. When count become 4, array is not having 4. So what we can do, we need to store somewhere that the 4 is not actually present inside the array. So we can declare another variables like answer, or like any variable like answer. There we have to store those variables which are missing, and we can simply take out this answer variable. That's all the approach for this problem. So first of all, what we need to do for solving this problem, first of all we need to declare the count variable, which basically starting from 1, as it is question is also starting from 1, and it is like checking from 1. So here count is equal to 1, and we need to make another variable which is basically to store the missing element. Okay, now we need to traverse inside the array for int I is equal to 0, and we need to traverse it through the end of the array. That means size is again, so I is less than n, I plus plus, and we need to check like if array of I, if any element of array is like not equal, we can say that if any elements of array is not equal to count, like as we can say in this example here, like 4 is actually present in the count, but it is not equal to like array of I. So in that case we need to store the count value inside the answer. So we need to simply store answer is equal to count. Okay, we need to store this missing element, that means this count element. We need to, like here we know that 4 is not present inside the array, so this 4 is actually stored inside the answer, so that we can easily to access that which are the missing elements. Okay, so here we have to do this thing, and we need to take out, we need to actually come out from this loop. Okay, now once we do these things, we need to do what, like once it will be done, like once you have taken the missing array, now we need to again traverse through complete array and just take all the values inside the answer. That means here we need to do what, here as we are already traversing from 0 to I position, I need to do one thing. That means here if array of I is like equal to at the last position, we need to go to, we need to take all the count variable inside the answer, and we need to come out from this loop, and we need to make a count plus plus. Okay, once we like done these things, we can simply return our answer. Okay, but before that we need to also sort this array, as once we actually like taking all this value, it will like return in this form, like 1 2 then 3, maybe like 5 or 4, so or 4 or 5, it may not fix. So for that what we have to do, we need to sort array dot begin as it is of that vector type, so here we simply use array dot begin and then array dot end. Once we like sort this array, then we can simply run our answer. Let's compile and run. So its compilation is completed. Let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for the today. Thanks for watching.